Hello, I am Jake Largado, and in this video I am going to share to you on how to simulate a RGB LED driver using a 555 IC and a 4017 IC. So here in our Tinkercad, we're going to place all the components that we use. So first we're going to look for the schematic diagram. So here is our schematic diagram. So we have to follow this. Place all first the components before starting. Going to report in this case. Big large. Also, we are going to use the resistor. Forces are with different values and polarized capacitor. Also, we don't have to forget the 555 IC. So the 4070 Johnson decade counter. So, later I'm going to explain to you what is RGB all about and how does it work and what is its advantage in using it. So we're going to use the 3-band transistor. And we're going to use a different volt, a coin cell with 3 volts battery. So I'm going to check first if all the components are already here. So we have all of that. So in this case, we're going to use it also a solid wire, but we can only drag easily here, so we don't have to worry about it. So I'm going to first connect the positive on here to the left. So the negative above the breadboard. I'm going to put it below the breadboard. Solid wires are used for wiring, so connecting your components. Okay. So now we're going to place all the materials here, components rather. So in case I'm going to put that one here and start to work. Connect the pins to on pin 6. That is our pin 2. So why does it was there? So because we're going to start here from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 connected. So we're going to connect the resistor to the area with the value of 20 So from here, connected to the pin 7, this one to so this one we're going to connect the positive with the polarized capacitor and this pin to the 555 IC. The negative of the polarized capacitor we're going to put the negative below. We're going to continue for the resistor 20 kilo ohms to the 50 kilo ohms resistor. So we're going to put this one over here. So let's check. So 20 to the positive of the right. So pin 7. So from 20 kilo ohms resistor to the pin 7, and pin 7 to the 50 kilo ohms resistor. Now we're going to connect the this pin 8 and pin 4. So here is our pin 4. we're going to proceed into the second one resistor. That one, right, is easy for me to connect. So the pin 14 to the pin 3 to the 5. So since 8 here, 16, 50, 14. Here's our things. Connect this one. Down, we're going to the one over here. Let's try to look further. So we don't have to get the here's our ground. Then we're going to proceed, so it's gonna place that one here. So this in-pin transistor has a emitter, so it's a base. So this one, so the RGB LED. So we're going to place. That is 20 ohms, so I'm going to place this one here. Back, so that's going to connect the pin 15 to pin 7. So here's our pin 15, connect pin 7. So done connecting. So pin 16, we're going to connect that one to the positive line. So here is our pin 16. So now we're going to start for this area. Me there, I'm going to connect this one, cathode, this one, or the positive one here. This right side start. So I'm going to connect the over here. So there we're going to connect to the 8 and pin 8 and also pin 13. We're going to connect it to the negatives. So that's great. So one here. So negative also with the pin 13. Going to connect 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So these are pin 13. Line is negative. So I'm going to now start now for the pin 3. Pin 3. Pin 3 to the base. There is an indicator on there. Pin transistor. C, B, and E. Connect that one. Pin 3 in the base. Pin 1 is a pin 2 and also 4. pin 4. So we're now going to start. Going to connect this one to the RGB. Okay, so I'm going to connect this one over here. This one. So here, connect it into the positive line. We connect that one. So we're going to check first if all our wirings are correct before start the simulation. So over here we're connected at one. There's no problem. Connect one. So the second side we already connect the pin 14 to the resistor with a 1 ohms to the pin 3. Okay, so I guess we don't have any problem. So we're going to start the simulation. So that is our output of our simulation. So as you can see, it's blinking. So now I'm going to share my thoughts on this, about the RGB LED drivers. So we're on this project we use a RGB, so RGB LED. So RGB, which means a red, green, and blue. So that is designated colors. As you can see, it's red, green, and blue. So this usually used in for current voltage indicators, and also for in many kinds of appliances or portable appliances like smartphones or refrigerators, or even different kinds of portable appliances. It has a different or wide of use. So unlike the other sides or the other kind of its LED, like a pure LED color like white LED, red LED, there's only one color or only functions with its designated color. But unlike this RGB, it can create it is a package of 3 colors with a red, blue, and green. So package with one is 1 colors. So that is our outcome of this project. So I hope you enjoy watching. So thanks for watching.